Considering buying a pre-selling condo, here's a simple guide to help you make that confident decision. Questions to ask yourself before saying yes. Number 1, budget comfort. Will your monthly payments work with your budget over the long term? Kaya mo bang i-sustain ang monthly payments mo? Usually, dalawang amount of monthly payments ang pinag-uusapan natin. First is yung monthly mo for your down payment. Second, yung monthly mo kapag nag-bank loan ka na. Number 2, trust factor. Thus, the developer give you confidence that they will deliver your home as promised. Siyempre, tignan mo din ang track record kung madami na ba itong happy clients or happy investors. Check mo rin kung gaano na sila katagal sa industriya. Number 3, waiting game. Are you okay with the fact that moving into your new home will take you a few years? Hindi ka ba ganon nagmamadali? Yung tipong advance ka lang talaga mag-isip. Number 4, future upside. Do you see the community growing in ways that could help make your future home even more valuable? Nakikita mo bang magiging malapit ito sa mga kailangan mo? Like malls, hospitals, offices, leisure parks, open spaces, and syempre kung makakatulong ito sa pag-improve ng lifestyle mo. For example, pagkagaling mo sa work, makakapag-gym ka ba or makakapag-relax ka kagad sa swimming pool? Or sauna? Or spa? Or after manggaling sa school ng mga kids mo, meron ba silang place to play? Or pwede kayang mapasyal mo ang mga alaga mong pets dahil meron itong pet park? If all sounds like a match, then you're ready to move your next chapter with RLC Residences. Message me for more details.